they were like already expecting to find Bernice's body on the property. But they were not prepared to find what they found. It was a bunch, and I mean a bunch. I don't even know how many, honestly, human remains that they found. But no, not just their full bodies. They discovered that absolutely everything in the house, from the utensils, from the forks, the spoons, the bowls, the lampshades, the couches, the chairs, everything was made from skin, from flesh. So what he was doing, flesh or bone. So obviously he was murdering these people, skinning them, and